In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email marketing CRM Zoho. We're going to walk through how to send a mass email directly from Zoho CRM using your leads or contacts. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to choose who you're emailing, and how to send or schedule your campaign so it goes out at the perfect time. First, open your Zoho CRM and go to either the Leads module or the Contacts module, depending on who you want to email. Think of these modules as the main lists where your people live. Once you're in the right module, you'll see a list of records. Use the checkboxes on the left side of each record to select the specific leads or contacts you want to include in your mass email. You can select just a few or use the top checkbox to select an entire page of records, depending on your strategy. After you've selected your recipients, look for the three dots icon, often labeled as actions, usually found near the top of the list. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, choose Mass Email. This tells Zoho that you're not sending a one-to-one message, but a campaign-style email to multiple people at once. Next, click on Create Mass Email. Here, Zoho will ask you how you want to define your audience. You'll typically see two main options, View or Criteria. If you choose View, you're using an existing filtered list that you or your team have already set up, like all open leads or newsletter subscribers. If you choose Criteria, you can build your own filter on the spot, such as leads from a certain industry or contacts added in the last 30 days. This is helpful when you need a very targeted segment. Once you've defined who you're emailing, it's time to pick how the email will look. Click on Select Template and browse the available templates. Choose a design that fits your goal, whether it's a simple text-based message or a more visual, newsletter-style layout. Make sure the content inside that template matches the purpose of your email and feels relevant to the people you've selected. Finally, when everything looks good, you can either send the email immediately or schedule it to go out later. Click Send if you're ready to go now, or choose Schedule if you want it delivered at a specific date and time. Scheduling is especially useful if you want your email to land in inboxes during business hours in your recipients' time zones. And that's it. You've just created and sent a mass email directly from Zoho CRM using your leads or contacts.